Hey guys, we're back. So as mentioned in the previous video, we're going to demonstrate how we went about reviving this hair after a client returned it with the claims that it didn't curl and it couldn't be revived. Start by thoroughly saturating the hair in lukewarm water. Step 2. Always use a moisturizing shampoo when cleansing LUGO'S curly textures. In this demonstration, we're going to shampoo the hair twice and make sure that we rinse it really well. Step 3. Thoroughly saturate the hair with moisturizing conditioner and be sure to follow manufacturer's directions. Step 4. After you've thoroughly saturated the hair with conditioner, this would be a great time to start detangling it. Once the hair has been thoroughly conditioned, it will be very pliable. This will be a great time to rinse, and make sure you rinse thoroughly. Step 5. Apply your favorite moisturizing product so you can begin to set the curl. Be sure to distribute the conditioner evenly throughout the hair and don't forget the ends. Step 6. Here is your final step. Now we're diffusing the hair to secure that curl pattern. We go up and down the hair shaft until it is dry, and we occasionally cuff the bottom of the curl to secure that C formation. And that's it. This is the last step. Here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching our video. Feel free to stop by our showroom at 151 East 33rd Street between Lexington and 3rd Avenues, or give us a call at 212-683-2900.